Hello all my English learners, welcome back to my channel Sapna Raghuvanshi, and today I'm here to share something very exciting that I felt today itself in my school. Yes guys, and in this video I will not tell you about my feelings only, I will also tell you many more things by implementing those who can also speak English fluently, and you can also just feel confident in English. So first of all, before starting my video, I would like to say something about weather today. Weather is very beautiful, pleasant at my place. It's feel like very enchanting, and we all feel like to fly in the sky. As you can see, some kids are also just cycling and also fighting. They both are brothers. So my dear friends, actually today I'm gonna share my feeling. First of all, actually today someone just reminded of something, and the thing is that all of my colleagues, friends, and even my principal sir, they just reminded me something about my English journey, that exactly I have started my English speaking journey in my last summer vacation, like previous summer vacation. So today itself, we all teachers also got summer vacation. So, you know guys, when all my colleagues, friends, they started appreciating me and they started asking me like, in previous summer vacation you have exactly started your journey, so what did you do exactly? And as we all can see that you have improved a lot your English, your confidence level, and in everything, like facing camera, facing people, delivering any speech publicly, so all the things. And guys, I never ever realized those things when my colleagues, friends, and my principals, or they just appreciated me and motivated me about all those things. So I exactly realized like, oh my god, it's a reality, because it was my previous summer vacation. So now it's gonna be 1 year near about. So but I have just become consistent, more consistent about my English practice in mid of July. But yes, I have just started something for my English in my summer vacation. So in my summer vacation, what I did personally, I'm gonna tell. I just purchased book online. So I started reading books a lot, those books. So that time, when I started my journey, so I just purchased books like Power of Positive Thinking. So if you are also having this book, so you can also understand like this book is little bit harder in initial stage. So I just did a mistake in my initial day. I just purchased that book, so that time I was not able to understand sentences and words properly. There's lots of hard words and also idioms, lots of idioms are used in that book. So it was my mistake somewhere, because that time I must have purchased story type book. So I didn't have idea, I just only purchased by reading its name, The Power of Positive Thinking, and I'm always just getting attracted towards positivity. That's why by getting its name Positive Thinking, I just purchased that book. So you know what happened today in my school? Most of my colleagues, friends, means they know very well English, but they are not so much fluent like me. As earlier I was just fearing a lot, I was agitating a lot, I was thinking a lot, but I was not speaking a lot. But nowadays, yes, I'm just speaking a lot. I'm making mistake a lot. So today itself, they got so much motivation when principals are appreciated my journey and me, like, yes, you also decide something like this, and you also work upon this as like as I did, means me. So they also started asking one by one, like, ma'am, just exactly tell me what did you do and which book did you purchase in your initial day. So I said, okay, I just did a mistake in my initial day. I don't want you to do the same, make the same mistake. So I would like to suggest you to purchase the book like story type books, because you are gonna read, so you're gonna read something for your English speaking, so you have to read something interesting, and you will definitely take interest in reading something story type books. So I suggested them to purchase story books, as I also purchased and for my son. And right now I'm also having, it's a 10 stories book, kids story book. So I just suggested my friends to purchase the story books, and it's not enough to read only those story books. Whenever you read and try to learn the story, and after that just narrate the story in your own words, in your own sentence structure, and just firstly make your videos. So they also just told me, like, whenever we are going to make video and we are going to face camera, so we just forget the things. We personally feel like we forget the things. So I said, okay, no problem. So firstly, after learning a story, after getting the story registered in your mind, what you need to do, you need to practice the story in front of mirror. So now they are ready to do this. So in this summer vacation, they will also just work upon their communication skill, and I'm feeling very much happy that I have motivated lots of my friends from my surroundings, so they are gonna also work upon their communication skill, just because by getting the motivation from my side. So oh my god, my dear and lovely audience, I can't express even my feelings. I felt a little bit emotional also, like literally I have achieved a lot in English. So in this journey, I never ever realized, means I always realized that little by little I am improving, but I never realized this thing, that I have literally improved a lot when other people are giving us feedback, and when other people are motivating us, appreciating us. So that time we are just getting the real result. If you also want to speak English or start your English journey, so first of all you have to do the same thing as I have already suggested to my friends to do. You have to also do those things, like just have some stories book, small kids storybooks, and then read the story. After reading, try to narrate the story, and while narrating the story, make your videos. Okay, and if initially you are not able to make a video, you are not able to face camera, so no problem at all. Just narrate your story in front of mirror, and sometimes talk to yourself in front of mirror. And if you can't talk, so do only one thing, just express your daily routine. Okay, like this you have to do all these things. And now please, my lovely audience, don't say like this that you are also not able to face yourself in front of your eyes. Okay, because you have to face yourself in the mirror, and after that in camera, and after that in front of any people. Means if you once start facing yourself in front of you in your mirror or camera, anything, so definitely you will never ever feel hesitant to face any random people in your life, because we are the only person with whom we need to compete. Exactly, we are our real and greatest, we can say the greatest competitor. Okay, so try to compete yourself first. तो सबसे पहले अपने आप को फेस करिए. जब आप लोग खुद को फेस करना सीख जाएंगे, अपने आईज एक्सप्रेशन, हैंड एक्सप्रेशन, हैंड मूवमेंट और अपना फेस, अपने खुद के, अपनी हंसी, इसको फेस करना सीख जाओ. अपने अच्छे बुरे जो भी एक्सप्रेशन है, अगर दोस्तों आप इसको फेस करना सीख लिए, तो समझो कि आप कभी भी घबराहट नहीं करोगे किसी दूसरे को फेस करने के लिए. क्योंकि इनिशियली हम इतने कमजोर होते हैं कि हम खुद को ही फेस नहीं करना चाहते हैं, हम खुद से डरते हैं. अब सोचिए, जब आप खुद से डर रहे हो तो दूसरों से आप क्या ही उम्मीद करोगे. तो सबसे पहले आप खुद को फेस करना सीखिए. तो इसीलिए इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग में सब आपको बार बार मोटिवेट किया जाता है कि आप सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस करिए, सेल्फ टॉक करिए, मिरर प्रैक्टिस करिए, बिकॉज you have to face yourself. You can't deny this fact that you are your real friend, you are your real enemy. आप ही आपके सब कुछ हैं. आप दोस्त भी हैं, दुश्मन है, सब आप पे डिपेंड करता है. आप बुरा काम करते हैं तो आपका मन कहता है ना आपने बुरा किया, आपका मन ही आपसे चिढ़ता है, तो आप ऐसा कुछ लाइफ में करिए ही मत। आप अपने खुद का दोस्त बनिए, दुश्मन नहीं। तो हमेशा ऐसा काम करिए कि जिससे आपकी अंतर आत्मा, आपका हार्ट सोल आपको अप्रिशिएट करे कि हाँ तुमने, यू हैव डन ग्रेट लाइक दिस। कभी ऐसा काम मत करिए कि आपकी अंतरात्मा आपको धिक्कारे कि तुमने ये गलत किया। तो इसीलिए मैं कह रही हूँ कि आप अपने दुश्मन भी बन सकते हो, दोस्त भी बन सकते हो। तो अपने दोस्त बनो और खुद को फेस करो और सब आसान हो जाएगा मेरे दोस्त। एक बार स्टार्ट तो करो इंग्लिश जर्नी। एज यू कैन सी माई सन इज बिजी इन completing summer vacation homework, because you know guys, literally and honestly, when we were kids, so I have completed all my education from Hindi medium, not from CBSE board or English medium school. So I never ever got summer vacation homework like this. Means I was getting but little bit only, not a lot. But nowadays the students are just being provided with a pro forma of homework, all the by subject wise. So they are having lots of tension. Also in their summer vacation, they are not free to enjoy. So beta Sarthak, yes. Say hi, hello to my audience.
Hello.
What are you doing, Babu?
I am completing my summer vacation homework.
Okay, so which subject homework right now you are completing?
GK.
My lovely audience, in short, eventually, I want to tell only one thing. Like me, as I have started my journey, I have improved myself, my English, my confidence. So in the same way, you all can improve, you all can do everything for yourself. सबके लिए आप इतना करते हो, कभी कुछ अपने लिए भी कर लो, कभी अपने लिए भी सोचो कि आप किस एरिया में जाना चाहते हो आगे। अगर इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग में तो आप जा सकते हो, बस एक कदम उठाओ, कदम उठाने की देरी है। You need to only take a step towards English, and if you take, so definitely you will achieve everything in English. Okay, and also guys, if you are getting scared of making mistake in English, so don't scared. And today itself also my friends, just when I suggested them to narrate a story, to speak English, do practice as much as you can at your home. At least talk to yourself, talk to your kids, talk to your spouse, if your kids, your siblings, nibblings, means cousin, any one is there who is able to understand your English. So just feel happy and speak English with them. And if they are not speaking English, so no matter at all, if they are able to understand, so this is better for you. You have to speak English with them, at least they are understanding you. Okay, so my most of the friends, they were also just sharing that problem, like we know very well about all the grammars, but we don't know why whenever we are just going to speak, so automatically only wrong and broken English is coming out of mouth. So I said yes, I also faced these things in my initial day. When I was just opening my mouth, I was always speaking only broken English. But nowadays I am speaking good English, and little by little I just improved, and still just I am here for improving. So I am improving, enhancing and polishing my English day by day. So in the same way you all can do, but once you have to open your mouth, if you are speaking broken English, bad English, wrong English, so just speak, no problem at all. Until you open your mouth, until you speak broken English, so how can you speak good English, fluent English? So just suppose guys, think, just relate your English only one thing. I don't want to make this video lengthy. So when we were kids, सो जस्ट सपोज करिए कि जब हम बच्चे थे तो क्या हम अपनी मदर टंग एकदम शुरू से एकदम शुद्ध बोलना शुरू कर दिए? नहीं ना, पहले हम जब स्टार्ट किए थे तो हम भी उल्टा पुल्टा ब्रोकन ही मदर टंग अपना बोलते थे ना, बट सुनते सुनते बोलते बोलते हम सीख गए। लेकिन हमने कभी बोलना बंद नहीं ना किया, हम तो बोलते रहे। और हम चलना भी जब सीखते हैं तो सपोज if a kids start walking, so initial day just they fall down many times, but they just again get up and then again move. They never stopped, they never gave up, they never just threw in the towel. Guys, look, I'm using here forcefully, it means give up. So they never gave up, they just again get up and again start walking. So in the same way we also have to do just like kids. अपने आप को बच्चा बना लीजिए, एकदम बच्चा समझिए कि हाँ मैं छोटा बच्चा हूँ, इंग्लिश में सीखने जा रहा हूँ, तो एकदम अभी मैं शुरुआती से इनिशियल स्टेज में हूँ, तो मैं गलती कर रही हूँ या कर रहा हूँ, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल। बट रुकिए मत मेरे फ्रेंड्स, मैं तो यही कहूंगी, मैंने पिछले समर वेकेशन में अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट की, तो आज मैंने क्यों इम्प्रूव कर लिया इतना, क्योंकि मैं कभी रुकी नहीं. आई नेवर स्टॉप्ड. I always just be consistent. So in the same way you also have to be consistent and persistent. ये नहीं कि आज सोच लिया हाँ सपना मैम ने सुधारा, चलो हम भी सुधारते हैं, अपनी इंग्लिश हम भी वर्क करते हैं, आज ढेर सारा मोटिवेशन पाया मैम से, मुझसे, चलो मैं आपकी मैम हूँ, फ्रेंड हूँ, जो भी हूँ, तो कल फिर भूल गए. अरे छोड़ो यार, ये काम मन कर रहा है टीवी देखने का, सीरियल देखने का, नींद आ रही है, चलो सोते हैं, मौज करते हैं, खाते पीते घूमते हैं, क्या इंग्लिश के पीछे टाइम बर्बाद करना. तो नहीं, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. आपको एकदम डिटरमाइंड होना पड़ेगा कि नहीं, मैंने इफ आई हैव स्टार्टेड सो आई हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट फॉर इट इफ आई वांट टू गेट गुड रिजल्ट. सो लाइक मी, तो एज आई हैव स्टार्टेड माई जर्नी बट आई हैव बीन कंसिस्टेंट फ्रॉम ऑलवेज. मैंने कभी अपनी कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं तोड़ी, तो आप लोगों को भी वही करना है. कंसिस्टेंसी आप जानते ही होंगे, मीन्स निरंतरता, मीन्स लगातार अपने रास्ते पे मैं चलती रही, तभी मैं यहाँ तक पहुंची हूँ कि एटलीस्ट आज मैं एबल हूँ. चाहे कैमरा आप मेरे सामने ला दीजिए, कोई भी टॉपिक अटेंडेंस दे दीजिए, बट मैं चुप नहीं रहूंगी, मैं गलत सही बोलूंगी, कुछ तो बोलूंगी. पहले क्या होता था, मुझे इतनी चीजें आती थी, एकदम एग्जैक्ट आती थी, सही आती थी, परफेक्ट एक्यूरेट, बट फिर भी मैं बोल नहीं पाती थी. क्यों? क्योंकि कैमरा देखते ही बस सब खत्म, ये वाली हाल थी. लेकिन अब नहीं, अब तो ऐसा लगता है कि कैमरा देखते ही कितनी सारी बातें याद आने शुरू हो जाती हैं. सो गाइज, ऐसा आपके साथ भी हो सकता है मेरे डियर फ्रेंड्स. आपको बस स्टेप लेना है, एक कदम आगे बढ़ाना है अपनी इंग्लिश में, और बढ़ा के बस चलते रहना है, रुकना नहीं है, थकना नहीं है, रुकना नहीं है, थकना नहीं है. So with this beautiful hope, I hope that you have got lots of motivation for my today's video, for my inspiring journey. And one day also, means I have decided when I will complete my 1 year, so I will make a very wonderful video for you. And in that video I will also just recall all those things forcefully, and I will just share each and everything, small big everything, which I have faced, I have got in my journey, okay, during my journey. Okay, so with this beautiful hope, let me say bye my dear friends, bye bye, take care.